Hey guys, thanks for tuning on in. Yes, I am filming a video within a video. So I just did my eyes using the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. I wanted to do a beginner friendly like blue smoky eye look. So hopefully if you like this, you'll check out that video. I don't know which one's gonna be up first, so stay tuned. Okay, so yeah, if you are new, hi, I'm Ansley. This is That's Really Pretty. We talk about a lot of makeup, a lot of fashion, a lot of beauty. We'll be doing fashion. Let me not tell these lies. We're doing fashion soon. It's coming up. I am filming this early August. This won't go up until late August, early September, and I would have moved by then. So as soon as I unpack my stuff, get like my aesthetic in the background, get the burning candle, a plant, all that good stuff, I'm gonna start filming more videos and like doing more fun stuff. So yeah, I'm a little neurotic when I film, if you're new. I actually got a comment about that. They didn't call me neurotic. That's the wording I'm using. They're like, you have so much energy on camera. And I'm like, it's obnoxious. So yeah, I don't have this much energy in real life. I just like filming a lot. So if you are not new, hey, what's up, what's good? Thanks for coming on back. I always appreciate the support, and I know there are a few of you that will either binge watch my videos or you continually watch my videos. You support me on Instagram, you support me just across all my social media, so thank you for that. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed yet, if you like this video, if you like any of my other videos, please consider doing so. Okay, so yes, I'm filming a video within a video. I just did this look with this palette that I've never used and had for 3 months, so I do like the palette. You can do full looks. Might not be the easiest, but you can definitely do full looks. The pigmentation is fine. You do get fallout like if you're holding it up like this and getting colors out like this, you will get some fallout. So that is that. Now that my eyes are done, I was like, all right, what is another video that I can film? I'm actually going to show you guys my updated color correcting video. I had one like 2 years ago, maybe at least a year ago, where I was showing people of color how to use green color corrector, because I use this all the time, and I feel like especially for brown or dark skin, you don't really hear a lot about using green. You usually just hear about using orange. So I'm going to show you guys every morning exactly what I do. I haven't always color corrected. I've been kind of like back and forth on it. Nothing wrong with color correcting. It makes your makeup look that much better, and I've been in the mood for some flawless makeup. So I'm going to show you where I apply this green color corrector. This is by e.l.f. It's just their color correcting stick. I like this and prefer this over the Maybelline. I want to say it's called Masterclass. I'm not sure. Anywho, it comes in like a really skinny packaging, and it's got like this applicator so that you can just put it directly on your skin. I find that that is too white for my complexion when you like buff it out. This maintains more green. So I put this near the mustache, and then I put it on my nose, because I find when I film, my nose is really red. If my lupus is flaring up, I'll put like a little dot there. And then I've got a little bit of acne going on, so I'm just gonna plop it there. You can do this two ways, one of two ways. You can put all of it on and buff it out, or you can do like one area at a time. I'm gonna go ahead and just like do one at a time. When I'm like doing this in the morning and y'all aren't looking at me, I put the orange color corrector on too. Just gonna smooth that out. So yeah, I do like this. I'm looking at myself in the mirror. I'm not like staring off into space, not looking at y'all. So this does look like a lot on camera. I promise you it's not gonna show up under my foundation. So you only need a little. Just gonna buff it in with a bigger brush. So, oh, there we go. Buff that in with a bigger brush. Okay. Okay. So, that's fine. That looks how it's supposed to look in my world. So, I'm gonna go in with this MAC Studio Concealer and Correct Duo. I usually don't use the, do I need to add some? Just like there's this little red spot. Okay. All right. So this is the color correcting duo. I usually don't use the orange, but I'll show you where I put the, the yellow. I'll show you where I put the orange. So I've got a little bit of discoloration. It's mostly on my cheeks. If you're new to color correcting, orange cancels out hyperpigmentation and green cancels out redness. So I'm just gonna plop this where I see fit. I have like this discoloration on my cheeks is from when I was a kid. Got to figure out a way to address it. But if I do contouring, I have to color correct it, otherwise it looks really muddy because it's basically where my contour would go. So I'm just gonna plop that on top of my lupus. Okay, so yeah, I don't usually use the yellow, but you could do it for a little bit of brightening under the eye. I know I put the green on top of it, just ignore it. All right, so I'm gonna go in and just, you want to like pounce it into the skin. You don't want to buff it out too much, because then it is less effective in color correcting. So look, it looks like I have nothing on my cheek. So that is the power of color correcting. So just kind of pounce that in. So I don't know if MAC makes a green color corrector. I do love that color corrector, that duo. So I would consider, I don't know, I have to walk by the MAC store to go to church today. So I might have to take a peek inside. All right, so the green, yes, it's not necessarily meant for like deeper skin tones, so it does look a little white on me. That will not matter when I put foundation on. So you can tell though, like the orange is popping. It's everything. It got rid of my discoloration like that. So, okay, in terms of foundation, I'm not going anywhere today. Like, I'm doing a full face of makeup to wash it off because I've got some skincare stuff I need to do. My eyes look so good though. Ugh. All right, we are going to do, I'm just gonna go in with the Hello Happy foundation. Actually, no, I'm not. I lied. I'm lying to you guys. I'm gonna go in with, I don't use this very often. It's a good foundation though. It's a Milk Makeup Matte foundation. I should have a video on this. Yes, I have a video on this. It might be like a year old, maybe. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. This is probably way too much. But I will, like, I know I look crazy. I've said this. I've started to put this disclaimer in my videos now. So one of my really good friends and her mom watch my videos. Hey guys. And like, we just had to talk about my lighting for a second. It's horrible. It really is trash. So that is one of the reasons why I look forward to moving, because that will get just instantaneously much better when I move. Okay, so this is too dark, obviously, for right near my eyes, so I'm going to put some concealer on. I'm going to, like, finish doing my face, and then I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, I just spent, like, 30 seconds looking at myself in the mirror. I'm going to insert a picture of what my face looks like, not what I'm filming, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So on camera, my face actually looks way too light. If I look at myself in the mirror, it kind of matches my chest area. It's a little bit on the warm side, that foundation. So I promise I don't look as crazy when I look at myself in the mirror. But this is going to wrap up this video. That is pretty much how I color correct my face every day. So I don't do like too much. I don't go overboard, but I don't know. I get weird about color correcting because it's one of those, like, am I giving people the impression that I have perfect skin? That's not true. Do what you want to do when it comes to how you do your makeup in the morning. So, all right, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Like I said, look at that picture of me not looking as crazy. But yeah. All right. Until next time, I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.